Alrighty, our next training demo we're going through is how to actually laminate with the machine. We have a poster here that we made. Take the poster, you can load it face up or face down. I like it face up. You'll notice that in the front here you have a feed tray that pulls out and in. When you're getting ready to feed your original in, always pull it out. When I load my poster, I'll load it in and I'll actually tap it with my finger. And I'm doing this to adhere it to the adhesive. So what I'm doing is, you'll notice my finger here, I'm pressing down on the adhesive. What this is doing is making sure that the poster won't skew on me. So with some other laminators you might be familiar, when you're feeding them, they skew, they get crooked and all of that. This machine will never do that as long as you use it properly. Once you have your original loaded, you can set one hand here, stand off to the right of the machine, and simply crank the handle. And what it does is it laminates perfectly every time. So you'll notice that our print is coming out. Now, a nice thing is about this too is you can stop laminating. So when you're working with multiple originals, you don't have to race against the machine and try to feed things in at a certain speed, which is a common thing, once again, where we waste a lot of laminate, things get crooked, items get ruined. I can take one item, put it in there and laminate it, and then take two smaller ones and put them right next to it. I'm not racing against the machine. I'm lining my things up perfectly, and I can crank them. So when you're talking about using your machine economically, you'll notice that it's very easily done. Next thing we're going to do is trim the blade, or trim the poster. And there's a trimming blade that clips right in and right off. You might have noticed how the clip popped off on me. That's really nothing to worry about because the system is very user-friendly. Our customers put their own cutting blades on. This is the cutting unit, and you'll notice that there's two levers there. What happened was, as I was cranking it through, I popped this off. I'm a little high-strung, as you can tell. So there it is. It trims off very nicely. Fear not if you happen to pop your blade off and do an Anthony. But look at how nice and close everything is. I have no waste, and I have perfectly laminated materials. The exciting thing about this machine is that it's three machines in one. Not only are you able to do dual-sided laminating, you're also able to apply single-sided adhesive to your poster, or put laminate on the face of the poster and an adhesive on the back. So in many instances where individuals will buy several machines to accommodate these capabilities, you have one machine that accommodates all three. That's the end of what our presentation is for the Xyron 2500 and its uses and how to use it. What we're going to be doing next is our Xyron 1250, its little brother, and we'll be showing you how to do the same things with a 12-inch machine for smaller items. Stay tuned.